Hello. Some of you ask me, what filler do I use? I use this one. This is a heavy filler from Furniture Clinic. Sometimes I use this. Sometimes this. It's Ranga. It's not available for international shipping, so I'm not showing you this. And LM filler from LM Professional. I think you know this. I just applied thick coat, thick coat. Then just wait when it dry and sand it. But I sand it with I'm gonna show you with this. This is the Furniture Clinic product called leather binder. I make a small drop, then I put fine sandpaper and sand it, and that's all. So this is my fine sandpaper number 600. This is a drop of leather binder, and I do it like this. Dried heavy filler becomes wet, and it becomes some kind of puree, I don't know, some sort of baby food. When you don't have a teeth, you have to swallow something. With this method, it allows you to make it a little bit faster, and you're not going to ruin the surface of your leather with just when it's just a fine sandpaper without everything. So this place is dry without binder. I'm just sanding it, and it falls off, and here I have ruined the grain of the original leather. So that's why the first layer of this I'm making wet. Sometimes on a very soft leather, when you apply the filler, I don't sand it because I don't want to ruin the grain of the leather, and it's very soft. So I wet my finger, and I don't know this word. This should be maybe rubbing, and it's going to flat or flush, I don't know. And the extra extra filler goes off. Sometimes I use my favorite product. It's called isopropylen alcohol clear, and I do the same job with it. I use it everywhere. It's a multi-proportional product for me. So I'm gonna do some more layers of the fillers. I don't know which one, but I will do. And when it will be very smooth, without grain. So next step to make the grain showed, I don't know how to explain, but I will take sandpaper about 240 or just 200. I will apply 1 drop of an alcohol or something like Decapanta. Just will put 1 drop and press with the sandpaper, just like this. Just press and take off, and this will make it look like a leather grain. Not this time, but I think you got it. And then leather should be painted and covered with I don't know, with a top coat finish.